everybody out there. This is George coming to you, and we're going to do a review of Lez Bankz. And then after that, we're going to go over some bonuses. We're going to take a look inside of it and see exactly what this is all about. Now, this is a little bit of a quick look on the inside here of Lez Bankz, and you can see that there is a whole bunch of modules. And what is Lez Bankz? Well, Lez Bankz is it's a software, it's a training program that is for pretty much anyone. And the person who put this together, all these different trainings, has made tons and tons of money online with evergreen products that people need to pay for, they need to have, and they're having this and paying for it every month, every month, every month. And these reoccurring affiliate commissions keep on coming in every month, every month, every month. And the guy's making a fortune, and he revealed this whole thing right here. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, there is a link down below in the description. You can click on that link, and we'll take you here to my insane bonus bundle. Now, why would you need some bonuses, or what are these bonuses going to be for? So when you have this Lez Bankz, there's a number of things that you really want to make sure that you grab. All right, so you want to have traffic, of course. You want to have people looking at your offers, because these people are going to be, you want them to sign up for all these evergreen things that these big companies are spending lots and lots of money to make sure that they're relevant, they're up to date, support, and all that stuff is really kind of super. So I'm going to go over these tutorials here in just a little bit, but if you happen to see the sales page, which is this right here, you can see here the easiest way to bank passive reoccurring income, commissions from free traffic. This is Jono Armstrong. Well, not that, but that's Jono there. And so you can watch this video here, or you can even kind of catch it on the right here, where he does kind of a little bit more of a review. I'm going to go through it a little quicker. I'm going to give you my thoughts on it, on what I feel about this whole thing. But this right here is this is all fantastic. What does this cost? The front end starts at 17 bucks, and there's upgrades to 47, 97, 197, and again 197. So the software and the training starts at 17 bucks, and the first upsell is you'll get a hand-picked selection of done-for-you funnels. So what does that mean? The done-for-you funnels is they're going to be sales funnels, and of course you probably already know what that is, but they've put these all together for you. They're proven to work, and they're going to give them to you. And what they're also going to do is they're going to give you access to the platform that these funnels are on. Now, that is how they are making their money. So let's just say the platform is ClickFunnels, and if you've not heard of ClickFunnels, well, you're going to. ClickFunnels has been around for a long time, from Russell Brunson, and super successful, and he's probably the pioneer or the grandfather of funnels. And so his funnels is like $100 a month, and the affiliates get $40 a month. So what these people have done here in Lez Bankz is they have put together a funnel for you, and they're going to give it to you. But in order for you to use it, you need to go and subscribe to ClickFunnels. All right, so they are an affiliate for ClickFunnels, and so they're going to make some money on you if you decide to subscribe, if you already don't have an account. So they're going to turn this around here, and they're going to show you everything that you need to know, or everything that's going on in the back end, so you can become an affiliate of ClickFunnels. So you can become an affiliate on all these other different things, promote it using their system, their training, which is right here, that's what Lez Bankz is all about. And then boom, you're on your way. All right, so that's kind of what this is about here. Now, I'm not going to spend a lot of time, because Jono is going to go through this entirely, okay? But what I have put together for you, if you look down below in the description here of the YouTube video, is I have some links here for you, okay? The bonuses, okay? Click on that. You're going to get all of Jono's bonus. You're going to get everything that he gives you. But something you're going to get also, okay, is you can get a free copy of this Expert Secrets or a free copy of this Traffic Secrets. And of course, if you want 14 free days of the ClickFunnels, go ahead and click on there. So I'm going to keep this short because, you know, these other videos have, you know, this is everything you need to know is right here, So that's what you need to do. Thanks again for watching. My name is George. Have a fantastic day. Go make some money. Bam!